Lotshani sinobani?
Sinomotlatsi.
Umotlatsi ufunda ini AJ?
I'm doing my first day in diploma in tourism management.
Nice. So sinembuzo A5 ne. Funa iphendule msinya ngendlela ongakhona ngayo, right? Already?
Yes.
Okay.
It's about to go down.
Yini ebudisi phakathi kwe 10 kg yamatshe ne 10 kg yamasiba feathers?
10 kg of rocks.
Wabafana man. What?
Name the Nguni group of languages that you know.
Amandebele.
Yeah. Enye?
Oh my God. I don't know any other.
Yeah, Jesus, God me, help me.
Name one presenter ekwekwezi yazi.
Simpiwe Ndala.
Okay. Can you spell the word yes?
YES.
Then spell the word ice.
ISE.
What?
Spell the word ice. ISE.
Back to Limpopo.
List the big 5 animals.
Lion, buffalo, cheetah. Is giraffe part of them?
Sometimes.
No. Okay, lion, buffalo, cheetah. I will put giraffe and what else?
Bokoyo. Hi, Bokoyo. Hi, Bokoyo.
Let's just put crocodile.
Where's a busy Chamele?
South African. South African business company.
You come with meandos, I answer with meandos.
Sifumane usemkhanyweni wobumnandi ilwazi ifundo zemidlalo nendaba ukwekwezi FM kukhanya ba